Hello students, this video will guide you on how to create your Ecocolumn. So follow it step by step, rewind it if it's going too fast or if you don't get it, or raise your hand as I walk around to help you. Alright, first step, you need two bottles. Once you have your two bottles, at the bottom of one bottle, around where the tag ends, make a little line. If you need a Sharpie, just raise your hand, or you can use a pen if you think you can do that. And this is where you're going to cut, where the broken line is. So go ahead and label it and cut it. On your other bottle, near the top of the label, so around here, a little bit lower would actually be best. So around here, use your Sharpie to guide it all around and then cut it. Now go to the sink and carefully, without splashing please, because it makes a mess, and then there gets soap and mold everywhere. Turn on the faucet very slowly. If there's a line, just wait your turn. Turn on the water and then wash the bottles with water. Use just a tiny bit of soap. Too much soap can cause your fish, if it's in the chamber that you're washing, to get poisoned and die. So make sure you use the tiniest bit of soap and plenty of water, but make sure it's not running too fast or it's going to spill everywhere because the sink is not very deep. And then dry it really well. Make sure it's really dry, and all the pieces should be washed. Once you have your 4 cut pieces, turn the big piece with the nozzle down into the top piece and remove all the labels. So take off both labels, make sure they're really clean. And make sure you take off all the white stuff so more light can come in, especially to your terrestrial chamber so your plants can grow. This part might be one of the trickiest. On the bottom chamber, so this is where the nozzle would go up here. Cut a square shape, but not all the way, just in 3 sides, so it's still attached to this 4th side. So cut here, here, and here, and then it should create a flap. This is where you can open up to feed your fish. And then put tape over the flap so it's more sealed, just in case it spills over. Some of the water gets doesn't spill out. So again, cut here, here, and here on the bottom part. So if you see this finished one, the flap is here, taped over. The last thing you're doing is you're labeling the different chambers. So this will be the aquatic zone. So you're going to put water up to about here, about there. And we'll put the string. We'll have to drill a hole here, but that's another day. Here's going to be your water filtration area. So label it up to about here. So about 3 inches, 4 inches. You're going to put the coffee filter, and that's pretty much as you'll fill with rocks and sand. So don't bring too much rocks and sand. Then about 2 inches, write decomposition zone. You don't need that many banana peels, maybe 1 or 2 or 1 apple core. And then this is going to be covered by dirt. Up to around here will be the dirt, and then you're going to grow your seeds here. And that other top will go up here so that water can cycle and heat can cycle and things can grow. Go ahead and label everything. Put your name or your group as well. All right, have a good day.